Hey friends, if you wish to find the Windows product key using PowerShell or command prompt, then the answer is don't. Okay, because those WMIC commands do not work on every computer. I will rather give you an easier and a long-term method. Search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now, I don't usually recommend third-party apps, but this one is free and it is a good one. So search for show key plus and install this application on your system and then open it. Okay, we're going to open this. And then you'll find the key here, the installed key and the OEM key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.